Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to use temp mail in 2025. The easiest way to get a temporary mail address to avoid spam, sign up for website or protect your real inbox. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, before starting the whole video, you just need to understand what is temp mail. So Temp is a free online service that gives you a temporary disposable email address. You can use it to sign up for a website or download something without giving out your personal email. Perfect for staying anonymous and avoiding spam. Then let's go and talk about how you can get a temp mail. To get started, just open your browser and go to tempmail.com. Here you can see this is the tempmail.org. So just click over here, this tempmail, and you will get this actual address. And remember, the address is temp#mail.org. Once you in here, as soon as the page loads, you will see random email address at the top. No sign up needed. Copy the email address and paste it wherever you need it, like when sign up for a free trial newsletter or downloading a file. Then you just need to check your inbox. Let's create an account here. Just let's go over here and let's try to open an account. That will be something like ClickUp, and try to open with this email address. Just copy this email address, then come back to this one. Let's open this one into the incognito window, click up, and here you will actually get the options, and here you just need to click on sign up. Once you click over here, then here you just need to provide your, click to the next. Once you click over here, then here you will get a notification over that place. So here you just need to provide your name. I provided the name, and then I will provide an address here, password over that place, and then I will just click to the, and here I will just pay with ClickUp and just give the thing and just click to the verify, and I will play with ClickUp. And user from this domain are blocked, so we are blocked from here, or we can go with the Canva. So the process is really simple. Here you just open the Canva and just click to the sign up, and then click to the email, and here I will provide my email address. Just click to the continue. Once I click over here, this will be my name, and I already get an email address over that place. So here actually you can see we already get the code. So with this way you can use these temporary mail options. I hope you understand how easy the process was. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Until then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.